So we are doing like May, June 2023, paper 23. And this is question number 3 of limited companies. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you read the question, please?
On 1st January 2022, the directors of J Limited made a bonus issue of 2 ordinary shares for every 3 ordinary shares held. The
Okay. So now you
following
tell me, wait, hang on.
hmm,
So the bonus issue is how much?
bonus issue is 2 ordinary shares for every 3.
So every 3 held. So that
Hmm.
means after the bonus issues, what will be the total number of shares held by the company?
5.
So after the bonus issue, the total number of shares held by the company will be 5.
Hmm.
We are giving 2 shares as bonus for every 3 held.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. Can you read ahead?
The following is an extract from the company's statement of financial position immediately after the bonus issue.
So this is the extract immediately after the bonus issue.
Hmm.
Because it is after the bonus issue, this would be after bonus.
Yeah.
So after bonus, how many shares?
This month, 1 million,
1 million divided by.
0.5.
So we want the number of shares. So whenever you want the number of shares, you will divide it by the face value.
Hmm.
So after bonus, they have how many shares?
2 million.
So the number of shares after bonus is 2 million. Correct?
Yeah.
And this is retained earning after bonus. And this is total equity after bonus. So be it without bonus or after bonus, your total equity will always remain the same.
Okay.
Can you tell me why?
Because you're minusing it from one place and you're adding it to the other.
Yeah, because you're going to use your reserves and surplus to give bonus.
Hmm.
So now can you tell me the number of shares that you gave for bonus and the number of shares that you already had for bonus before the bonus?
So before the bonus, you have 1 million. After bonus, it's 2 million.
Mm-hmm. 1 million is the capital
Hmm.
amount.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I'm
Sorry.
talking about the number of shares.
Huh.
So the
Okay.
number of shares after the bonus is how much?
You'll do into 3 and then you'll.
So you want to know the number of bonus shares, right?
Yeah.
5 represents the number of shares after bonus.
Yeah.
5 represents the number of shares after bonus. So 2 is representing bonus. So what is bonus? 2 million
Hmm.
into cross multiply.
Yeah. So 2 million into 2
Yeah. Divided
divided
by
by
5.
5.
This would give me bonus. And what is the number of shares that is held before the bonus? Into 3 divided by 5. Are you with
Okay.
me?
Okay.
So can you give me the bonus issue number of shares?
Yeah. So first one is 800,000.
Bonus is 800,000.
Yeah. No, it's upon 5 only, na? 2 million into 2 upon 5, right?
Yeah.
So it's 800,000.
So 4 million divided by 5 is 800,000.
Yeah.
Let me check. Okay.
Yeah, it's 800,000 only.
Okay. And what is the number of shares held?
Yeah, doing that. That is 120,000.
1,020,000.
Yeah, 1 million.
1,200,000.
Yeah.
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 So the number of shares held is 1,200,000 before bonus.
Hmm.
You gave bonus as 800,000 shares.
Yeah.
So your total share capital becomes 2 million shares.
Yeah.
So I want to know the ordinary shares before bonus. So it will be how much? Now I want the capital, right?
Hmm.
So you will multiply by how much?
0.50.
Yeah, into 0.50. So it will become how much?
600,000.
600,000. So the bonus is how much? Bonus issue is 800,000 shares
Yeah.
into 0.50.
Hmm.
So it will become how much?
400,000.
Okay. Now there is some information that is related to it. What is the information?
That the directors finance the issue 60% from the share premium account and the remainder from the retained earnings.
So 60% was used from the share premium and the
Hmm.
remainder 40% was used from retained earnings.
Yeah.
Tell me.
So it's going to be share premium 240,000
Hmm.
and 280,000. Yeah. No, 96,000.
Sorry.
96,000 as retained earnings.
96,400 you are financing.
Haan, yeah, sorry, 400,000 at the end of the same amount. Yeah, it's 160,000.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you're doing 400,000
Okay.
into 40%.
So that means
Yeah,
share premium
160,000.
before the bonus, share premium before the bonus had 240,000.
Hmm.
So share premium was 240,000 before the bonus,
Yeah,
and retained earning is 160,000 before the bonus plus the remaining balance of retained earnings.
120,000.
So this will become how much?
280,000.
280,000. They wanted you to prepare an extract from the statement of financial position immediately before the bonus.
Hmm.
So, how did you get the position before the bonus? You checked out on the number of shares held with you, correct?
Hmm.
Before bonus, you checked out separately for the number of bonus shares because you already knew the number of shares after bonus.
Hmm.
Giving you 2 minutes, digest this fact, and then I will. I'm just putting the video on pause. Okay, let's proceed ahead. Can you please read the additional information for me?
J Limited's financial year ends on 31st March. On 31st March 2021, the directors paid an annual ordinary share dividend of 20%. However, on 31st March 2022, the directors decided that the annual ordinary share dividend would be amount to $0.05 per share.
Hmm.
Hassan is a shareholder in the company. He owned 7,200 shares before the bonus issue on 1st January 2022.
Okay. What do
Then
they
he
want us to calculate?
calculate the change in the amount of dividend received by Hassan, comparing the dividend on 31st March 2022 with the dividend at 31st March 2021.
Okay. So they want us to calculate the change in the dividend that is received by Hassan for the 2 years. Are you with me?
Yeah.
So when I say 2021 dividend, so can you tell me what is the 2021 dividend for Hassan?
7,200
He
into
had
20%.
7,200 shares.
Yeah,
Always you get dividend on the face value.
yeah, 7,200,
7,200 shares. So what is the face value?
0.50,
Yeah. Into 0.50 into how much percent?
20%.
Okay. So it comes up to how much?
It comes up to 720.
So the dividend of 2021 is 720.
Hmm.
Okay. So he owed these shares before the bonus. He owned like 7,200 shares before the bonus. Are you with me?
Yeah, yeah.
Then he was given bonus. How much bonus he was given? 2 shares for every 3 held.
Every three held. Yeah,
So what was the number of shares that was held by him?
7,200.
What will you get? How many shares as bonus?
Oh, wait. 4,800.
4,800 shares as bonus shares.
Hmm.
Now we'll take the dividend of which year?
Oh, you'll calculate a new dividend, no?
Which year?
2022.
So the 2022 dividend will be on how much?
4,800 shares.
Okay, old shares you will forget, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, old means once you give bonus, the old shares are taken away. You are trying to tell me that.
No, no, you have to add them now.
Yeah.
So 7,200 plus 4,800. So
So,
12,000.
so the total number of shares that is with him is how much?
12,000.
And on 12,000 shares, how much is the bonus that he is going to give?
Bonus is going to be 4,800 shares, no?
No, sorry, dividend, how much he's going to give?
0.05 per share.
He's going to give 0.05 per share. So what is 2022 dividend?
600.
600. So what do they want us
The
to
difference,
calculate? Change in the amount of dividend. So change in dividend is how much?
120.
120 decrease or increase?
Decrease.
So decrease of dollar 120.
Hmm.
Come on. Can you tell me two differences between a capital reserve and revenue reserve?
So reserves are from non-trading activities and
Okay.
revenue reserves are from trading activities.
So capital reserves are from non-trading activities and
Yeah.
revenue reserves are from trading activities.
Hmm.
Come on, next difference.
Capital reserves, they can't be used to finance cash dividends, and
Cannot
revenue
be
reserves can
used,
be used
cannot be used to give cash
cash
dividends.
dividends
And revenue reserves.
can be used.
Another difference can you give?
Mm. Yeah, I don't remember any other.
Okay, can you give me names of two capital reserves?
Capital reserves are it will be like any assets now.
Give me the names of two capital reserves.
Um, Dividends. No, not the dividends. Capital resource mesh. I don't remember these things. Examples.
You've done so many statement of changes in equity. You don't know names of capital reserves.
Will it be like general reserves or those revaluation reserves?
Okay, general reserve, is it capital reserve or revenue reserve?
General reserves. I think yeah, it'll be a revenue reserve because it comes from trading activities, no?
General reserves is a revenue reserve.
Hmm.
Another name for revenue reserve?
Only this one I remember.
Retained earnings.
Oh yeah, retained earnings also.
So general reserve is a revenue reserve.
Hmm.
Retained earnings is a revenue reserves. Can you give me names of capital reserves? Securities premium, share premium,
Okay.
revaluation reserve.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Three reasons why directors might reduce the total dividend payable.
If there's a fall in profits,
Okay.
then if there isn't any funds to pay for the dividends,
So lack of liquid funds. Okay.
or if the funds are required for other commitments.
You've just copied the marking scheme.
Yeah, and this question has come multiple times. So I've learned it.
Okay. If the funds are required for other commitments, the directors will reduce the total dividend.
Dividends paid.
With this,
Yeah.
we complete question number 3 of limited company. Paper is what? May June 2023. Paper 23.
Hmm.
Okay.